There's some really exciting work going on here at Bradford Teaching Hospitals Trust. It's fast-paced, it's hard work, and we're waiting for the data, but the results of this research is going to benefit everybody. We're hoping that our excellent reputation and performance will keep us at the forefront of these groundbreaking trials, including the vaccine trials that are on the horizon.
The recovery trial is the largest randomised clinical trial for Covid-19 coordinated across the world. It's run from the Oxford University, and there are over 170 sites participating in this trial across the UK. We are one of the largest hospitals taking part in this trial and have recruited the largest number of patients into the trial in West Yorkshire.
The Maternity Research team are working on two studies, UCOS and Pan-Covid, which are both urgent public health studies that are investigating the effects of Covid-19 on pregnancy. Pan-Covid is an international registry. It's a brand new study, and we're approaching any lady that's booked to have a care here in the Trust who suspected or confirmed Covid in pregnancy, and we're gathering the mums and the baby's data so that we can see what the outcomes might be and the implications of Covid on pregnancy.
At the moment I'm working on What's a Story. This is a study that's looking at the story of infectious diseases. It's a study that started off initially looking at the immunisation programme in the UK, specifically meningitis C and diphtheria. Coronavirus came along, Covid-19, so now the study incorporates this as well. This study is working to provide us with a snapshot of the general population who've been exposed to Covid-19.
Born in Bradford is a huge research study that's following the lives of over 20,000 families in the city with the aim of helping children live happy and healthy lives. So we sent surveys out to about 7,000 of our families to find out how they are coping during the lockdown period. Now, because we have information on these families before the Covid-19 pandemic struck, we'll be able to look at change over time and how things have got better or worse during this situation. And Bradford's in a unique position in the UK to be able to do this because of the research we've done previously.
I'm working on the Israq Who study for Public Health England. This will help them identify how the pathogen is being transmitted and what treatments are working. It's a sleeping study that can be opened at any time if a new virus or a pandemic develops. It's there so that it can be opened very rapidly, and so data is acquired very quickly. So far we have recruited over 340 patients in 9 weeks.
We are working on every Covid-19 study for adults in the BRI.
On some of the trials we're actively recruiting and consenting patients. On other ones we're data collecting and data inputting, and on some of them we're processing lab samples.
So we're hoping for a fast data turnaround. We're hoping to help with the symptoms, we're hoping to prolong life, and we're hoping to get these patients back to their relatives.